What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of March. I look rough AF today, sorry, but I really wanted to film this because it's late and I wanted to get it filmed. So if you're not sure what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly makeup subscription and it's $21 a month and it comes with 5 to 6, I think it's 4 to 5 now. It used to be 5 to 6, I think it's 4 to 5 full-size beauty products in each box. It's usually 5. This month's box is 5. And if you're not familiar with how I do these videos, I look in the box before I film it and I see what's in here and I do my face according to what's in the box, and then I try out each product and give you my first impression of how I think it works. So yeah, I do know what's in the box, but I haven't tried anything, so let's jump into it. So when you open the box, there's cards in the front, and there's a 25% off card to Butter London. So when you go on butterlondon.com and you make a $50 purchase, you get $25 off of that. A lot of the times they put coupon codes in the box, so that's really nice. And then the theme of this month's box is vacation, so this card's really cute. So that's the theme of this month's box. And the first thing I see when I open the box is this. These are the South Main 3 eye gel packs. It says it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area. It comes in this little package and you get 3 of them. I don't think that's focused. It's fine. So this card says, South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels. Our under eye gels are great for an easy mask without the cleanup. They soften and moisturize to ensure that you look rested and refreshed, and these retail for $10. They come in this little package and it says, cleanse the eye area and apply this product under the eyes and leave on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. And for best results, use for 3 consecutive days. Oh, these are really cooling. These feel really nice. I feel like they're gonna slide down my face a lot though. This is a cute look. Okay, so I'm gonna leave these on for 30 minutes and I will be back after and we'll see if they do anything noticeable. So I'll be back in 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. I'm gonna take these off and see what they did. My eyes feel super moisturized. I feel like they kind of helped my pores a little bit too. Like right here looks super smooth and they feel really nice. Your girl can always use some moisture, so I like those. My only complaint is they kind of slid down my face a little bit after a while when I was just like sitting, hanging out, but they just like needed a little push back up and they were fine. So I like them. I'll keep using them because I'm sure that it says use them 3 days in a row. So I think that 3 days in a row is when you'll really notice like a difference, but so far I like them. So the other things in the box are things that I'm going to use like after my foundation and powder and all that like base stuff. So I'm going to do that off camera and then I'll be back to use the rest of the products in the box. So I'll be right back. Okay, so my base is on. So the next thing I want to talk about is this little guy right here. So this is a blush from Pretty Vulgar. The packaging is gorgeous. I'm obsessed. This is in the shade Make Them Blush. Oh wait, no. The blush is Make Them Blush and the color is Hush Blush. That's cute. Okay. So you open it up and it's this really nice pinky kind of mauve-y color. This is really pretty. I'm obsessed. And Pretty Vulgar is a really nice brand too. Okay, so this is Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush. Says this powder blush awakens your complexion and provides a naturally glowy flush to your cheeks. It's long wearing, it's highly pigmented, and it's buildable. And it retails for $26. So it's like a high-end blush. And so your box is only $21 and this is $26, so you already paid for your box. So I'm a fan of that. Okay, let's try it. I'm using my little Lisa Frank brush. This brush is so cute. Did anybody else use those coloring books as a kid? They were like the Lisa Frank, like unicorn. I don't. This came in a Boxycharm too, I'm pretty sure. Okay, you do not need a lot of this. I put too much on, so you just need a little tiny bit for this. Pretty though, I like it. I just used too much. Yeah, this was one swipe and it's like crazy pigmented. Okay, I'm obsessed with the color. I just used a bit more than I like. I'm not a huge blush girl. I like a little bit of subtle color to my cheeks, but I don't like to go crazy. So this is a little bit much for me. But if you just use like a tiny, tiny amount, it would give a really nice flush to the cheeks. And I think it's really pretty. So I really like this. And it's so nice that we get high-end blush in the box. And it literally pays for itself. And this packaging is beautiful. I'm definitely putting this on my vanity. Okay, so the next thing in the box is, I don't want that yet, is this palette, which I'm so excited about. So there's a lot of packaging on it. Hold on. Okay, literally this has 3 layers of packaging. That's a bit aggressive. Really the biggest struggle I've ever had to open anything. I had to go get scissors. But anyway, this is the Boxycharm and Pure collaboration. This palette is like everywhere and I'm so excited to use this. It's gorgeous. Like, look at these colors. This one's so fun. I want to use that one today, I feel like. I never use blue, but it's so pretty. Okay, and then I want to use these brushes to apply it. So it's this little set. I didn't even tell you about the palette. Please hold. I'm sorry. So this is the Pure eyeshadow palette, and it says it's transitional. No. This transitional palette can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into your look. Our signature silky smooth ultra mattes are paired with pretty pinks and a vibrant blue to lighten the mood. Plus you can layer the shimmer shades for a duochrome finish. This palette retails for $36. And then these brushes, these are by the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and they are the Smokey Eye Makeup Brush Set. And it's a trio, and there's a shadow brush, an angled, I can't speak English, an angled shadow brush, and a smudger brush. And this set retails for $23.15. That's quite random, but. And this packaging's adorable. I love like the plaid-ish, like gingham kind of print. It's very cute. So yeah, let's check these out. When it gives you like steps, and then, oh my god, this one's taped together too. Is this a joke? Okay, so here's the 3 brushes. They're really nice. They're soft. This one's pretty dense. Then they have little sayings on them that go along with the steps. So it's step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, and step 3, go girl go. And I'm pretty sure that's a play on a song, and I've seen it all over YouTube that everybody's like, what does this mean? And it's a play on a song. All right, I'm excited to try these out, and I'm gonna use them together. And I'm just gonna do my makeup and put music over it and just point to what I'm doing so you don't have to listen to me talk for the next 10 minutes.
Let the night come in, turn the lights down low. I feel it on my skin. Let the time just go. I only ever really wanted you, somebody who could show me a thing or two. But all I really wanna know is, can we take it slow? Oh, can you take it slow with me tonight? Can we take it slow? Can I show you what I need tonight?
I played around with that a little bit. I like it. It's fun. The only color I was kind of disappointed with is this one. You really have to like dig into it to get any color payoff, really. This shade down here called BFF is amazing. It's super pigmented. And then the blue one, Mia, I had to spray my brush, and it's not as deep blue as it looks in the palette, but it's still really pretty and fun to play with. So I want to mess around with this a little bit more, but this is the look that I did today. The last thing in this box is this mascara, and this is by Butter London, and it is Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. It says get 200% thicker lashes in just one coat and a 314% in lash curl. Those are really kind of random numbers. I don't really know how they came up with those, but we'll try it out. It retails for $20, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, here's what the wand looks like. That looks nice. All right, let's try this out. Alright, so I use mascara. I like it. It's definitely a drier formula than what I usually lean towards. I usually lean towards this very like liquidy mascaras. But I do like it. I think it made my lashes look nice. And it's something I'll definitely reach for again. Yeah, that's everything in this month's box. I really enjoyed it. The total value is over $115. So that's crazy since you're only paying $21. And there were really nice products in this month's box. I'd say my favorite was probably the blush out of everything. I really, really like this. I also really liked the eye gels, and the eyeshadow palette I liked as well. I just want to play with it around some more. Brushes were fine. Not my favorite, nothing bad, just not my absolute favorite that I've ever used. And then the mascara, same thing. It's fine, but not my absolute favorite, but I'll use it again for sure. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Check out Boxycharm. I'll leave the link down below. I absolutely love them. I've used them for years and I love them. I think they're the best subscription box out there. Feel free to check out my Instagram and follow me on that if you want to see more of my personal life. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it and would like to see more. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.